Deerfamy, which is a garden supply company, sent me this garden stool and asked me to review it. In this video, I'll be talking about the assembly, the specifications, and the ease of use. I'll be sure to link the item in the description box below. Like you've got some instructions here. It's like some garden gloves. We've got some tool holders. Got two handles, a kneeler, so you can either use it like this or like this. All right, so it looks like first you unfold this. So that's pretty easy. Then you take the handles and you put them in these holes. So have these tool pouches. You got one for each side. And there's a little pocket here that allows you to just kind of hang it over there like that if you're using the bench. But if you're wanting to use it as a kneeler, flip it over and then you do it that way. So there's nothing really to secure the tool pouches on here. You just kind of rest them on the bar. I don't know if you can kind of see that here. So this kneeler is pretty good, but if you feel like you might need more cushion, you can always add another pad and tape it down. I've seen some people do that to these types of garden stools, but it does come with this extra kneeling pad. It may, if you set it in here, it may slip, so I don't know how useful it would be unless you taped it down to secure it, but you can just use this by itself too, it looks like. It also comes with a set of gloves. One is plain, and then the one for the right hand comes with these claws on the fingers. And it looks like you can get probably through some loose soil. I don't know how effective it would be for compacted soil or clay soil, but kind of a neat concept. Where it really comes in handy is when Charlie needs a good scratch. He thoroughly enjoys this. So it's pretty easy to fold away for storage. You just find this here, kind of squeeze it, and you push down. Same thing with the other side. You can kind of look at it from a different angle. Just squishing that, pushing that down. There you go. You want to make sure this is on a level surface, or you could probably take a tumble. The frame of the garden stool is made of metal, but it only weighs about 6 pounds. It does have a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds, and it tucks away fairly easily for storage. I can't really speak much to the durability as I've only had this item for a couple of weeks, though I'm really excited to use it this spring. Again, if you're interested in this item, be sure to check out the description box below.